Ever wished Twilio could automatically create support tickets when something goes wrong? When a Twilio call fails or a message isn't delivered, how do you get that critical information into your support queue automatically? The answer lies in Webhooks, allowing Twilio to communicate directly with your external systems. First, within your Twilio console, navigate to the specific service or number you want to monitor, like your messaging service, a voice number, or a specific Twilio application. Look for the status callback URL or webhook URL field. This is where you'll tell Twilio exactly where to send information about events into this field. You'll paste the URL of the endpoint that belongs to your ticketing system, or an intermediary service designed to receive Twilio events. Now, on your ticketing system side, or within an intermediary service, you'll need to set up a listener. This listener will be ready to catch the incoming data from Twilio once received. Your system will then parse this data, extracting crucial details like the call or message SID, any error codes, and participant numbers. With this parsed information, your ticketing system can then programmatically create a new support ticket. Imagine a ticket automatically generated for every failed call, complete with the unique call ID and error reason. Enabling your support team to immediately investigate this ensures no critical issues fall through the cracks. By connecting Twilio's powerful event webhooks with your ticketing solution, you automate incident logging, streamline your support workflow, and proactively address issues before they impact your users. It's an essential step for robust Twilio operations.